In this video from Device Doctor, you will learn how to connect your mobile device to the Epson L6570 printer using Wi-Fi Direct.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Wi-Fi Direct allows you to connect your mobile device directly to the Epson L6570 without any router or network. In the first step, you need to turn on Wi-Fi Direct on your Epson printer. This will allow your phone to detect the printer. On the printer screen, you will find two wireless options, one for connecting through a router and another called Wi-Fi Direct. Tap on Wi-Fi Direct to open it and view all the connection details that your mobile device will need later. Tap on the Change option on the printer screen. In this section, you can view and change the Wi-Fi Direct network name and password. If you want to turn off Wi-Fi Direct, simply use the third option. Here, we can see the current Wi-Fi Direct password, but we will change it to make it simpler. For easy connection, we set the password from 1 to 8. However, if security and protection against cyber attacks is important to you, it is better to choose a stronger, more secure password. Now, Wi-Fi Direct is fully enabled, and you can see both the network name and password. Next, let's move on to the step where we connect your mobile device to the printer and prepare for printing. On your mobile device, go to the Wi-Fi settings, find the printer's Wi-Fi Direct network name, and select it. Enter the password you set earlier to connect your phone directly to the printer. Now, download the Epson iPrint app. The download link is available in the video description. After downloading, open the Epson iPrint app. You can easily connect to your printer through the app. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the printer's Wi-Fi Direct network before proceeding. Epson iPrint is a powerful and free app that lets you print directly from your mobile device to your Epson printer. You can print photos, documents, PDFs, and even emails without a computer. It also allows you to scan, manage printer settings, and print from cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. With Epson iPrint, printing becomes fast, wireless, and extremely convenient, right from your phone or tablet. And that is how you can easily connect your mobile phone to your Epson printer using Wi-Fi Direct and enjoy fast and reliable printing anytime, anywhere, without a router or computer. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. This is Device Doctor bringing you the best tech guides. See you in the next video. Stay smart and stay connected.